Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the Upstream Oxygen Sensor and Downstream O2 Sensor fuses relays are located on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. We will also, guys, talk about hidden fuse boxes. This is information that can potentially save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And by the way, guys, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. The upstream and downstream oxygen sensor fuses relays, guys, we'll show you where you can expect to find them on that generation Chevy Equinox. And quick advice, there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox. We would say probably about 9 out of 10 owners do not know where they're located. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, a video that can save you a lot of money. What we guys need to do here, we need to open the hood, and facing the engine here on the right side, you see that's the driver's side. That's a brake fluid reservoir. Next to it is the main engine fuse box. Here you have one tab with 2 clips that you squish together. One like that on this side. Leave the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here, guys, what we need to check. First, we're going to start by checking 2 very important fuses. But after that, guys, okay, we need to check some other components as well. So make sure you stay until the end, because it could be something not directly related to the O2 sensor that causes them not to work. And what we're talking about first, fuse number 41, guys. That fuse right here. Then you need to check fuse number 42. These 2 fuses will need to be checked, 41, 42 right here, guys. What about the relays? You don't have specifically dedicated relay for the O2 sensors, oxygen sensors, but check fuses and relays for the engine computer, because they control the oxygen sensors as well, and there will be multiple fuses, relays that you need to check. If you don't know where they're located, some of them are under different names. We'll have the video on the channel that will explain that step by step as well. Check it out, guys. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, the interior fuse box, we want to show you, you have 2 kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.